Hello everyone, this is the second part in the Python series. In this video, we will discuss about data types. We have four broad classifications of data types. The first type is numeric type, the second one is string or text type, the third one is Boolean type, and the fourth one is collection type. So, the first category is numeric type. Numeric type are classified into integer, float, and complex data types. Any positive whole number or a negative whole number is called as an integer, and any decimal point number is called as a floating point number. And we have complex data types in Python. Complex data type has two parts, which is a real part and an imaginary part. And complex numbers are represented in the form of a plus bj in Python, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part. Here are some examples of numeric type. As we discussed, every whole number is an integer. So in this example, 5 is a positive whole number, and minus 5 is a negative whole number. So my 5 and minus 5 both are integers, and 19985 is also a whole number, so it will also fall in the category of an integer. And every decimal point number is a float, so 5.57 is a float, and even 100.0 is also a float. And negative decimal point numbers such as minus 769.5 is also a float. Complex parts uh, complex numbers are represented in a plus bj form. In this example, 5 plus 6j is a complex number where 5 is a real part and 6 is an imaginary part. Complex numbers can also have only imaginary part with real part missing. And the next data type is string data type. Strings are nothing but group of characters. Anything between a single quote or a double quote is a string. Strings are created by using a single quote or a double quote. Every number, alphabet, or a special symbol are characters. We will learn about strings in another video. And the next data type is Boolean type. Boolean or bool is a data type that has either two of the possible values, which is true or false. When we compare two values, the answer gets evaluated in Boolean, which is true or false. In Python, any number is evaluated as true and 0 as false. So in Python, 0 is treated as false and any other number is treated as true. Here are some examples of Boolean type. As we can see, bool 3, we have evaluated 5 is greater than 9, which evaluates to false, and 74 is greater than 65, which evaluates to true. And we discussed that 0 is treated as false and 1 or any other number other than 0 is treated as true. And the next category is collection type. Collections are classified into list, tuple, set, dictionary. We will just learn what are these in this video, and we will have an entire video on these topics. So collection type. The first one is list. List is a data type that can store multiple values. Lists are indexed and sequenced, and the most important part about lists are mutable, which means they can be changed. It is a mistake here. A list can be changed. And the second one is tuple. Tuple is a data type which is similar to list, but uh, tuple is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Lists can be changed, and tuple cannot be changed. And the third one is set. Set is a data type which can store multiple values. Same, it is similar to list and tuple, but sets are random and not sequenced. And the last one is dictionary. Dictionary is a data type which stores key value pairs. We will learn about all of these in their separate videos. And the next important topic which we are going to learn in this video is type function. So type is a Python's built-in function, and we use type function to get the data type of the variable. In this example, we have age, which is an integer, pi, which is a float, and we have a complex number 5 plus 3j, and we have a string, and we have a boolean number, boolean. So to get the data type of these variables, we use type function. So this is about data types. If you learned something in this video, like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.